Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. This video is a little bit different because I am trying out some new things. I need your help and your opinion if you guys like it or not, but I played with a palette that is absolutely freaking amazing. So if you want to know how I created this beautiful look, then keep on watching. So as you can see, my base is already done. I've also applied lips, but maybe we will, change the color of the lips depending on the eyeshadow. Today I actually watched the YouTube video of Tati Westbrook, and she mentioned best and worst palettes. This was one of the best palettes. And I was like, hey, wait a minute. I own that palette, but I've never really tried it because I want to try it for a long time. And then it's just, life gets in the way. But this is a Zoeva Melody palette and it looks absolutely stunning. I remember that I was so mesmerized by this color right here, which is not really a color that I would wear very often because these are more like my colors, but for some reason I was just so intrigued by the color, and these are all like very multi-dimensional, is that the word? I am going to do a spring color with browns and purple lilac kind of colors. So let's jump right in and let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm going to prime my lids. This is the newest eyeshadow base primer from Sigma. I've never tried this before, but it's like I can swatch it real quick, brown taupe color primer, and I'm going to put that on the whole lid. I find eye primer very important because I feel like it can either make or break your look. Oh, I love that shade. I'm going to start with this World Above shade, which is a very natural shade. And I'm going in with my Ray Ray BH Cosmetics brush in number 6 or 8, in number 6. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this into the crease. Now I'm taking the BH Cosmetics brush in number 7, which is a pointy crease brush. And I'm going in, what should we do? I think I'm going in with this color, which is called Fly Solo. That color, very nice gray color, and I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to use this LA Girl Intense Stay Auto Liner in Lasting Brown, and I'm going to do a wing. So the first color that we've used is actually going to be the Smoke, so you can also go in with this first. Maybe that would be better. As you can see, it doesn't look very perfect yet, but it doesn't have to be because we're going to blend it. I'm still using the same brush, same color, but I am going to bring the color a little bit more like towards the crease, which I don't have, so I'm going to fake the crease. Now I'm going to take the darkest color in the palette, which is called About to Leave. It's a dark, I wouldn't really say brown because it looks like it has some plum in it, like very, very dark, but still using the same brush, I'm going to darken up everything that we did. Taking my blending brush, I am going to blend the edges. I'm also using a little bit of this blush. It's the Cali Kissed Smashbox palette, and it's this coral shade. And a little bit, but just to blend this because I feel like the color is really nice. Now I'm going in with the lilac purple color, which is called Gentle Clasp. I'm not sure if I want to do that on my whole lid, but I'm going to start off using this color on the outer part of the eye. If I really like how it looks, maybe we can use it on our whole lid, but let's see. The color is so unique. Oh, this color. I didn't even use that much in my brush. I'm taking the eye pencil from LA Girl Cosmetics again, and I'm going to line my waterline. I always feel like I look so different when I do a very thin line. Don't you guys think so? Like my eyes look so weird. So I'm just going to smoke out this line by using the darkest shade in the palette. So I'm going to apply lashes and mascara later on, but first I'm going in with this highlighter, which is called Blushed Copper, which is actually a blush. Oh my god, should I even use it? No, I'm going to use it as a highlighter because it's very light. This color right here, it has a very nice pinky undertone, and I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush in number 3. I'm also going in with MAC Dainty, which is a very nice light pink blush. I'm still using the same brush. I think I am going to change the lip color, but maybe like mix it a little bit with this Terra liquid lipstick from Jouer Cosmetics, because I don't know, like I feel like we can do a little bit better than this. That looks more, I don't know how to describe it, more defined, more alive. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. I like this lip color. Okay, I'm going to add some lashes and that's it. Apply some mascara and I'll be right back. So I've applied the lashes. These are quite smaller than what I usually wear, but because I didn't drag the eyeshadow all the way up to my brows, which I usually do, I thought a bold lash might be a little too much and it would cover all the eyeshadow that I did. But anyways, these are Mon Chéri from House of Lashes and I really like these. These are, you know, not that big, but still like glam enough. And for mascara, as always, I've applied MAC Lash Dimension, Extra Lash Dimension Mascara. As I said, I feel I look a bit different because usually I just smoke out my lower lash line way more lower. And then the same on the lids. I always go up with my eyeshadow all the way up to the brows because I feel like, you know, I have a lot of space and I don't want to have a lot of space. You know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. The palette is look at these colors. I feel like they're so beautiful and the camera doesn't do these swatches any justice because you can't really see the tiny shimmers in it. They are all they have all different colors and they're like really beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.